Welcome students, myself Deepchand Sharma, lecturer instrumentation engineering, Government Polytechnic College Kota, control system component IE 208। आज हम सर्वो मोटर्स के बारे में जानेंगे। इस टॉपिक में हमारे सिलेबस में डीसी सर्वो मोटर, एसी सर्वो मोटर्स, उनकी कंस्ट्रक्शन, वर्किंग, एप्लीकेशन, टॉर्क स्पीड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, के बारे में जानना है। सर्वो मोटर्स। Servo motor is an electromagnetic device used in feedback control mechanism to convert an electric signal into control motion. Basically, servo behaves like an actuator which provide precise control over velocity, acceleration and linear or angular position. It consists of four things: DC AC motors, position sensor, gear trains and a control circuit. The gear mechanism connected with the motor provides the feedback to the position sensor. If the motor of the servo is operated by DC, then it is called DC servo motors, and if it is operated by AC, then it is called an AC servo motors. Servo motors have low rotor inertia and high speed of response. Servo motors are also known as control motors. The servo motors which are used in feedback control system should have linear relationship between electrical control signal and rotor speed. Torque speed characteristics should be linear. The response of servo motors should be fast and inertia should be low. This is the construction diagram of servo motors, in which this one is electric motor, this one all are gear assembly, this one is shaft connected to the drive system. Types of servo motors. Servo motors can be classified on the basis of rotation, on the basis of operating signal and on the basis of operating power. On the basis of rotation: positional rotation servo motors, continuous rotation servo motors called linear servo. In positional rotation servo motors, positional servo can rotate the shaft in about half of the circle. Also, it has the feature to protect the rotational sensor from over-rotating. Positional servo are mainly used in limbs, robotic arms and in many other places. Continuous servo are similar in construction to the positional servo, but it can move in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. These types of servo are used in radar system and robots. Linear servo. Again, linear servo are also like a positional servo, but with additional gear to adjust the output from circular to back and forth. These type of servo are used in high model airplanes and are rare to find on the stores. On the basis of operating signal, there are also two types of servo motors used which differ in processing information and signal. According to operating signal, it is divided in analog servo motors and digital servo motors. Analog servos are operated over pulse width modulation signals, and the range of the signal is 4.8 volt to 6 volt. In this type of servo, the pulse width modulation is off when the servo is at rest. The torque produced at rest time makes the starting time inactive. Also, an analog servo can be able to send 50 pulses per second only. Second one, digital servo motors. Using a small microprocessor, digital servo receives signals and acts at high frequency voltage pulses. A digital servo can be able to send 300 pulses per second, which is very high in comparison to an analog servo. Digital servo gives a smooth response and consistent torque due to faster pulses. Digital servo consumes more power than an analog servo. And on the basis of operating power, the servo motors are classified as AC servo motors and DC servo motors. DC servo motors are further classified as armature controlled DC servo motors and field controlled DC servo motor. Thanks.